Leave him alone. Leave her alone. Stop. It doesn't take much. Sometimes something is going to be riled up in your soul to stand up for someone. And it could be your voice. And it doesn't even have to be a very loud voice, but just the power behind your voice, that God energy and essence that is running through your veins, through your body, through your soul, is what is going to get these people attention to understand that they cannot run amok. They cannot just be around here seeking who they want to devour. And oftentimes, this could have been something that you may have had to do. You know, you may have been, as a child, literally I can think back to a time where there may have been children that were getting picked on for no reason. And then it just comes, you try to stay out of people's business, right? But it comes a point in time where something just disturbed your soul to the point where you got to intercede. And you just literally say, no, stop messing with that person. Or, whatever it is that you say to that person to, defend them. Even as children, we know the power of people that may not have a sense of defending themselves for others to defend them. And so this does not end as you grow older. Let's go to Proverbs 31, 8 and 9. All right, just a moment. Let me get this scripture. So it says, open your mouth for the mute, for the rights of all who are destitute. Open your mouth, judge righteously, defend the rights of the poor and needy. And I, not too long ago, did a share in regard to, people are focusing so much on using their mouth for bad. This is how you can use your mouth for good. Okay, use your mouth for something other than gossiping and other things. Use your mouth for something that you're going to actually help others. Because there's so many people, unfortunately, that may have bullied. There's people that have parents as bullies. There's people that have siblings and so-called friends that are bullies. And it only takes you to just assert your dominance and stand up for them. Right now, children of the Most High God, of Jesus Christ, of Yeshua, you're being called, when you see something, to say something. It's going to make a major difference. And trust and believe that the very thing that you are intervening on, God is aligning you to do so. So just trust to say something.